Hello my dear friends, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use a digital multimeter. As you can see, we have digital multimeter like this. It's very simple to use this one. And then I will show you the feature. With this multimeter, I can measure the voltage, direct current voltage DC, also for the battery, amps, intensity, and continuity on and diode, also the resistor, and finally I have the alternative voltage. And we have also the terminal. I have three terminal. This one is the common, this one is only for the black, very simple. But this one, as we can see, we have V mean which, if I put my red one, this one red one like this, I can measure the voltage, this voltage, direct current AC, and after I can measure the resistor. That place we can see the same thing over there, and also the milliamps, as you can see. But if I want to measure the current higher than 200 milliamps, I should put this one to that place like this and set my multimeter to the 10 like this. You can see A over there and DC, only for a DC current, not for the AC current. But I can use this one to measure AC voltage. Okay, now as you understand, I will start by showing you how to measure a AC voltage. First, we have to set it on the high range of your multimeter. If the voltage that you measure is less than 20 volt, you can come at 20 to have more accurate. But now let me put in the 600 AC. This one is my power station. So now this one, the AC don't have polarity. Don't care, they don't mind about that one because it's AC. Now if I put like this, I have, let's say I have 238 AC. It's normal like this. So you see that is more than 200, as you can see. Now let us go straight to the DC like this. This one is my DC power supply that I made on my French channel. I have two channel, French and English. This one is my English channel. So in this one I have to set my multimeter on the like this volt, DC volt, as you can see, DC. Now I already know that my power supply can provide more than 20 volt DC. That's why I set my multimeter to the 20 volt. Now I can measure my voltage and see what I will got. Now, and as we are now in DC, the polarity is important. Polarity is important. Now I have to put, the black one means negative and the red one means positive. I have to make like this, and then I can see I have 10 volt, but I will reduce with my potentiometer to got like 5 volts like this. And then now I have, if you want to measure the low voltage, you can also make like this, the same thing. And I have 1.97 volt, and for my resistor I have mine 344, because I got mine because I reversed the polarity, but now I will get 3.43 volt. like this. Now I'm going to show you how to measure a current, a DC current. As you can see there, I have DC current there. You see the E, the CEC. As I said, I know that this one can consume more than 200 milliamps. It can consume more than 200 milliamps. That's why I put this one over there. But if the current, if I'm not sure, I can put it in the 10 amps to measure, and then I can make like this and measure and see. But I already know that they can consume more than 200 milliamps. That's why I set it there. You see the milliamp symbol. As I said, I have to make a link. You have to make like this. If you want another wire, you can put to that place and start make the measure. And this one should go where my power supply is, and then like this the plus should go to that terminal, and this one should go over there. As you can see, I have 12 milliamps, and then I have 12 milliamps like this. Power equal volts multiplied by I, the volt 5 multiplied by 0 amps. So the power consumed is 0.06 watt. Like this. Very simple, as you see. Don't forget to subscribe. In my next video, I will show you how to test electronic component like a resistor, potentiometer, and the and condensator. Because as you see, this multimeter don't have capacimeter feature. That's why, because I will use a tip for you to know if your capacitor is good or not, and also transistor, NPN, NPNP in the next video. Subscribe, don't miss that video, because for me, but I can say it's a very important video for electronics. Thank you for watching this video.